In this video, I'll show you how to turn on AI Max in your Google Ads search campaigns and how it can improve your results. AI Max is an advanced feature in Google Ads that uses machine learning to optimize your search campaigns automatically. It helps improve performance by adjusting your ad text, targeting, and landing pages based on user intent and behavior. In simple terms, it helps you get better results with less manual work. Now, there are two ways to enable AI Max. You can either create a new search campaign with AI Max enabled, or you can turn it on in an existing campaign. In this video, I'm enabling it in an existing campaign. Go to your campaign list, hover your mouse over the campaign name, click on the settings icon. Scroll down and you'll see that the AI Max feature is currently turned off. I'm turning it on. Once enabled, you'll notice that under Asset Optimization, features like text customization and final URL expansion are automatically turned on. So, what are the benefits? AI Max helps improve your ad performance by dynamically adjusting headlines and descriptions, matching better search queries, and sending users to the most relevant landing pages. This can increase your click-through rate and conversions while saving time on manual optimization. However, in my case, I'm turning off text customization because of compliance issues. Depending on your business, you may want to keep these features on. Now, click Save. And that's it. AI Max is enabled. From here, your job is to monitor performance regularly. Make sure to check your search terms report. And if you find any irrelevant keywords, add them to your negative keyword list. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tips. See you in the next one.